Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. What if I told you one belt could instantly zhuzh up your outfit? Well, check out this reversible belt from SUOSDEY. That's right, one belt, two colors, one sleek gold buckle, and talk about endless style opportunities. This is the belt that every girl needs in their life. It comes with so many different color and buckle styles, but I went with the black and brown color option, which literally goes with every single outfit that I want to wear this with. And it's so incredibly easy to switch between the two colors. You just simply lift up on the buckle and remove it from the belt, and turn the belt over, push the buckle in on the other side, and voila! It literally could not be any easier, and it takes up so much less space in your closet and in your suitcase when traveling. I typically wear a size 4 to 6 in jeans, so I got the 26 to 32 inch waist size. It comes with 9 holes total, and I find myself using the 4th hole, leaving me with plenty of space if my weight fluctuates in the future. But overall, I have been so impressed between the softness of the faux leather and the sturdiness of the buckle to where it stays locked all day long. This belt is absolutely adorable and a complete must-have, but that's just my point of view.